In last video, we made this. Yeah, basic player movement. So in today's video, we are going to make levels. If you don't know what I'm doing, I'm remaking Karlson. Oh, you're wondering what Karlson is? Well, I'm glad you asked. Karlson is just a game Dani is working on, which is currently the 28th most wishlisted game on Steam, so go wishlist now, gamers. Yeah, keeping that aside, let's just start making levels. So first up, I made a simple folder to store all the levels and yeah, I have no idea how to make a level. First, I looked at few Karlson devlogs to get an idea how to make levels, and I definitely did not get distracted with other videos made by Dani. After watching the Karlson devlog, I've understand one thing. That is, man, he is really good at making levels. So after a lot of placing cubes, a little bit of programming the jump pad, I completed first level. Here's the gameplay. I mean, it's not that bad, right? Okay. To be true, it's pretty bad. So, guys, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. And in next video, we are going to add milk portals. See y'all in the next one.